Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, let's take a look at Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom, and Micron with SPY and QQQ, that is S&P 500 and Nasdaq. So, starting off with Nvidia, what are we getting today? Well, as expected, as I mentioned that even if more pullback has to come, this zone down here of 115 to 116 is a zone that things may potentially either remain choppy or get bought back up. Today, yes, we have both of that, mix of both. Same way, right? Choppy, I'll try to go up still a little bit, still selling off underneath of that $118 though, right? So this is where, well, we'll have to go to the hourly interval, all right? So now, yes, that was the zone. We stayed above it. Technically, we are on our easy day and swing trading. Still above the cloud, you can see just touching the surface there, got bought back up. At least in the pre-market, we were looking really great. And right now, when the market has opened, a little bit weakness is there. But, so do we still have a possibility of continuing higher? Well, it all comes down to if Nvidia has strength of getting above 118. That's still the level, right? What I'm seeing, the good stuff is that we are also holding above 20 hours moving average. All right, it's a good sign that after breaking first below and then again after above, yes, it rejected, but it's still finding support. Now at this point, if we don't lose 117 and 20 hours moving average, that's a good sign. And then definitely we have to get above 118 for the next leg up, otherwise no, right? So that this remains your zone now to watch for the day. Between this, yeah, it's choppy, looks like it's getting bought back up, at least for right now at 20 hours moving average, right? And this is where the stop loss needs to be, right? Below somewhere over here. You do have a good nice wick, but stop loss needs to be down here if you're planning to take this trade. I like to take the clean breakouts though, or like, big rejections, right? And then supports at like 20 hours moving average and, stop loss on the other side. But so, well, let's see if Nvidia can get above 118, but it's behaving just how as we expected. That, as I said, I don't expect this thing to just crash lower. I do expect this thing to either just remain choppy and or try to go up and a little bit bullish, but let's sign off becoming bearish as we are above this blue box area, that is 115 zone at least, right? So, but let's see. We still have these two levels to watch, 117 and 118. You can also see on 5 minutes we have a choppy day, right? Like this thing is trying to go up and down. We did have actually both sides of play. If I use my tool here, we had both sides of play. First 25 minutes was a short place, right? And then after that, we had almost 50 minutes because I'm on a 5 minutes interval long place. Then unfortunately structure has broken again, so we'll see if it can regain itself. But that's something, if you have my tool, you can use that for trading, right? On daily interval, structure though still remains bullish, and we haven't really changed anything along those lines. And I still think that Nvidia has a good chance that it can continue high. It all comes down to not what we don't want to lose is this pivot area, right? 114 and 36 cents eventually. And the sooner we close above 118, that's the beauty of then, continuing higher. So that's something to watch. All right. Let's take a look at AMD now. So AMD, as it's very simple, guys. This was the level I provided you yesterday, 151. I said above this, no problem. And this is just continuing higher. This is bullish, really good candle today, right? And structure on this is still bullish, right? So that's that. SMCI. So SMCI now is going sideways. Guys, the next move on this, the big move, well, we had above 419 I talked about. We got those moves, right? Now the next move is above 20 days moving average, the good one. And I would also say let it also get above 478. In this zone where it is right now, like 419 to 469, It's more of a choppy range. It has done that range already. I don't expect much here. And on the hourly interval, I'm seeing a slowness and weakness. So yeah, it's being rejected constantly up here now, right? You can see that wick coming in. So if we lose this level 446, you're watching again level like 433 down there. ARM. So let's go to the daily interval. So yes, we had a sell-off yesterday, but as I said, as long as we can hold between this zone of 135 and 37 cents to 138 area, that's fine. It's holding there today. Now it's just all about, can it continue higher? Well, technically structure still remains bullish here, even through that yesterday pullback. And on hourly interval as well, I'm seeing a good sign here actually. We had a good support in the pre-market down here, and looks like retest is also holding. So it's a good sign in the overall bullish structure as well, and structure holding here. And I think it can continue higher again to 145 in my opinion, just level by level, right? Stop loss on the other side. Broadcom, a little bit of a sell-off today, but no problem, guys. This thing is still technically bullish, and it has given us those runs already. Now it's setting up for the next run. Well, as long as it's above 20 and 50 days moving average, I'm not too worried. If we lose that, then there's weakness. Micron, all right, this thing is again holding that zone. Wow, look at this. Like what? This thing kept trying this zone forever, right? So today it's going back up again. That's a good sign. Yeah, so yeah, as look, in this play here, if you're taking this play, stop loss can be anywhere around this zone 84 and 84 and 30 cents or below. But yeah, it's how much risk you can tolerate, right? And though we are below 20 days moving average, but is this rebound, let's say if this time it can get up, right? Twice it already rejected. This time I would say let it get above $90 for this. We need to see strength above that as well, but this is a good sign actually, getting above 87.93 again. However, if I take it to the hourly interval, 200 hours moving average is right over there. But yeah, it's a good sign. We got above this level, found multiple hours of support and going up. That's a good sign on Micron. All right, let's take a look at SPY and QQQ. Guys, SPY. Well, let's talk SPY in just a second because it's breaking all-time highs, right? Let's keep the surprise and suspense for the very end of the video. NASDAQ. No problem. Been saying this is bullish. It's bullish. It's just continuing higher, higher highs, higher lows. Yep, next level up, 408 and 73 and 68 cents, getting to the next level, 477.92 cents. Above this, 485. Still in the bullish structure, not worried as long as we are above this level of 469 and 86 cents. Oops. All right, now time for S&P 500, guys. This is breaking to the new all-time highs. Did it already do it? Well, it did. Yay! Look at it. It did. Party. 465. Now it's all about bulls holding it, right? If bulls can hold it, that's all what we need. And yes, this thing is looking really nice, really neat. If we close today above 465, tomorrow, if it's a liquidity grab, like for the blowing up all those stop losses of the short sellers and liquidity grab, then we need to close below 565 today. So it all comes down to this level. It's a really good sign the way its candle is looking like on hourly interval also. Yep, it's a right now really good sign. When you see first candle rejected at that level, but then second candle going up, and if we can close also this second candle up here, that's a really good sign, hourly interval. So yes, it's looking really good, guys, really good. All right, now, well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Tesla is also looking good, but that's for another video. And if you found this video helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.